We have all known Tiger Shroff as a fitness idol and a star kid of Bollywood. He is the son of actor Jackie Shroff and producer Aisha Dutt. But if you think that being a star kid, he had an amazing life, you could not be more wrong. He talked about the struggles of his childhood in an interview. He said that at the age of 11, he found his family in a financial crisis. He recalls this time saying it was the worst feeling ever. He said that after a number of flop films, his father Jackie Shroff did not find work. He was going through a rough patch in his career. So, his mother produced a movie called Boom in 2002. The movie leaked before its release date, and as a result, the distributors pulled out. But Jackie Shroff intervened just in time and made sure that the movie got released. Even after all of this, the movie did not do well at the box office and directly impacted his family's finances. This is when Jackie Shroff was forced to sell his 4-bedroom apartment in Mumbai and move into a smaller one. As Tiger said, "I remember how our furniture and stuff was sold off one by one." He said even his bed was sold, forcing him to sleep on the floor. He wanted to help his family, but he could not. This is when his dreams of becoming an actor started. He promised his mother that he would get back their house. And that's what he did. In 2017, he along with his sister Krishna Shroff bought back their previous house. But their mother declined and decided not to move. Jackie Shroff, being proud of his children, said that he was happy with his children's gesture. All that glitters is not gold. Even successful people have to go through struggles, but, as they say, tough times make you stronger. Did you know about this part of Tiger Shroff's life? Let us know via comments.